Hello guys, welcome back to our channel KN Academy. In this video, I am going to discuss about Wipro off-campus hiring information. So you can see here, Wipro Work Integrated Learning Program. Wipro Will registration has started for 2022 batch, for 2020 and 2021 batch. Okay. So now talking about the eligibility criteria and skills, what skills you should have and what degree you should have. So all these things we will discuss one by one. So here you can see the education. 10th standard pass and 12th standard pass and graduation 60% and 6.0 CGPA and above as applicable by the university guidelines. Okay, so this is the 10th percentage criteria, only passing marks, and 12th in passing marks, and in graduation 60% and 6.0 CGPA you should have. And year of passing 2020 and 2021 and 2022. So 2020 and 21 and 22 batches are eligible for this opportunity. And qualification you should have bachelor's of computer application like BCA and bachelor's of science BSc like STEAM in computer science, information technology, mathematics, statistics and electronics and physics. So if you have BSc degree and BCA degree and BSc degree in these stream like computer science and IT and mathematics and statistics and electronics and physics, not other than that. Okay, so you are eligible. So you can see here the basic qualifications like education criteria, percentage criteria and qualification criteria. Now this is the exact thing what the pro is providing, like stipend details, first year stipend and second year stipend and third year and fourth year. So you can see here one by one 15,000, then again second year 17,000, and again in third year 19, and like fourth year 23. So this is the basic uh, salary, like you will be getting after this job. And other benefit, MTech degree. Okay, so this is the bill program, I hope you know. So now talking about the additional criteria. And if you are applying in this opportunity, so you need to sign service agreement bond. Okay, for 60 month, for 60 month. So you can see here the additional criteria, like mandate to have studies core mathematics as one subject in graduation. So you should have core mathematics in your graduation. No business math and applied maths will not be considered. Okay, so here it is already mentioned, like business maths and applied maths will not be considered, so only core mathematics you should have. And a maximum of 3 years of education gaps, if any, allowed between 10th and graduation. Only maximum 3 years gap is allowed in education, more like not more than that. And no gaps are allowed in education graduation and should be completed within 3 years. Yeah, okay, so no education like graduation gaps is not allowed here. And education should be regular full time only in 10th 12th and graduation recognized by central state government of India. Okay, and a maximum of one active backlog till the interview stage. Offers will be uh, okay made it out subject to all backlog clearance. So if you have clearance all the backs, then Wipro will offer you, otherwise Wipro will not offer you. And should be an Indian citizen or should hold OCI card and PIO card in the event of the holding passport of any other country. And Bhutan and Nepal nationals need to submit their citizenship certificate. And candidate who have participated in any selection process held by Wipro in the last 3 months are not eligible. So if you have applied and if you have participated in the last 3 months in Wipro in any of the selection process in any of the program which is provided by Wipro, so you are not eligible for this opportunity as of now. And every eligible candidate must go through online assessment details appended for your reference. Like first of all, after the filling this form, you will have to face the online test, then technical interview, and then HR interview. These things you will have. Okay, so we have discussed about the Wipro build program and qualifications and addition criteria. So I hope you like the video. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching, and I will put application link in the description box so you can apply from there.